somebody had died tonight, different story, right? Because that's on you. And if you died, I feel like that's on me. I just wanted to be like you.
And I wanted you to be better.
It's not working out. I'm gonna need the suit back.
For how long?
Forever.
I'm nothing without this suit.
If you're nothing without this suit, then you shouldn't have it, okay?
Hello! Hey, please! I'm down here! I'm down here! I'm stuck! I'm stuck! I can't move! I can't...
If you're nothing without this suit, then you shouldn't have it.
Come on, Spider-Man! Come on, Spider-Man! Come on, Spider-Man!